Okay guys, today I'm gonna let you know like how you can easily upload files in Flask. So yeah, let's just get started and please make sure to subscribe my channel. So firstly, like I'm in a new folder, you can as see. Now let me just create a template folder for Flask. Template. Okay, templates. Now here, let me just delete. Yeah. So now just save one HTML file here. I have already opened. So let me just go here and save index.html. Yeah. Now let's just start the basic HTML code. So yeah, see all the basic HTML code got pre-written. Now I'll just do uploading. Now let me just make a form. Now like input type we'll do like file name equals to like we'll do offer. We'll just do like offer letter. Let me just give a p tag here. Like we'll say okay, like some offer letter is someone like submitting an offer letter. And now one more p tag for resignation letter. Now just make input for this type file name, let me do resignation. Okay, let me just do some put some br tag. Yeah, yeah, this is the basic structure. Now let me just open, see how it's look. Okay, I think it will work. And one submit button also forgot. Submit. Okay, now let's get to the like Python code. Save, like we'll save in the outer part main.py. Yeah, now we'll do like from flask import flask and request, like we'll request the file and render template also. Templates, the template. Yeah, now just like let me make an instance. Yeah, now it will work. Now just make a root for this app.root. We'll just make like what is this, like the basic page. Methods equals to get, sorry, get comma post. Yeah, now let's just define like home. No, let's just make it upload. Okay, now we'll do like if request dot method is equals to post, like if the post method is coming, like if someone is uploading files, then offer is equals to request of files, will like request files and the name. What is the name? Like offer. What like name offer we are making, like see is if you are like here writing 1 2 3 offer, and then here also you have to like write like 1 2 3. Okay, so now offer, and now we'll do resignation equals to, we just copied this only, and let me just paste it here. Resignation, see its name is resignation because we are here also the file name is resignation. Now let me just print the file name, like offer dot file name, to let you know like file being uploaded successfully. Let me just give some space here. Yeah, now we'll return successful. Return success uploaded. Okay, now or I if like a post like it's first time opening the page, so we'll say return render template the index HTML page. Yeah, so that's pretty much. So let's just run it and see if yeah app dot run. So let's just see it's working fine or not. Yeah, one thing more, like here action, in here action will make to like URL for just forgetting the time. URL for upload, like the root name is upload, so we are making URL for upload and method equals to post. And like you have to do this also, like just write it, otherwise we'll throw an error. Like you can just keep it, if C is working then okay, otherwise you have to like write this line, like we'll just change the type of the file, multipart slash form dash data. Okay, yeah, now just go to the folder where the main Python file is. Yeah, here cmd, we'll do python main.py import. Okay, I'm just render. Let's just run it again. Okay, it's running. Let me just check it. Localhost 5000. Something is wrong. Sorry, here also I just did this. Okay, now it will definitely work. Yeah, see, submit now, offer letter. Now I'll just upload. You can skip also, like if you don't upload one file, you can just upload one files also. We have just this. And now see, like whenever I click upload, here the file name will appear because like I have printed the offer.file name. You can see it here, like yeah. So you can just confirm like okay, file is being successfully uploaded. Let me just submit upload and you will get successfully upload. Submit. See, highschool.csv, that was the file name, and here I have done the offer.file name. Now you can just save it anywhere, like on Google Cloud or somewhere, like these two parameters like offer and destination have the file in there in themselves only. So you can save it anywhere, and you can see it's like returning successfully uploaded, like after you have returned successfully uploaded. So if you like the video, please subscribe and like the post. So that's it for now. Thank you.